Hi, and welcome back to the BakeDeco channel. If you are looking for a simple cookie design that does not require piping or elaborate skills, then this is the video for you. Today we're going to be showing you how to do this simple marble design, royal icing free, and no piping required. We're going to need to grab a few items to get our cookie design started. You want to make sure you have a heat-safe bowl, and we're going to use this to melt our candy wafers. This stainless steel bowl is optional, but you can use this if you want to keep your candy melts warm over your stove top or on a burner. We're going to be using candy wafers in bright white vanilla flavor. We have our sugar cookies. You want to make sure you have an oil-based candy color. We're going to be using Color Milk today. You want to have a spatula to make sure you can mix your candy melts. We're going to start out by melting our candy wafers. I'm going to be using the microwave. We're going to place our candy wafers in the microwave in 30-second increments. We're going to check on our melts. And now we want to continue 30-second increments until our chocolate has melted. Now we see that our chocolate has started to soften. So we're just going to mix it up a little bit. And then we're going to throw it into the microwave for another 30 seconds. Now our melts are fully melted. And now what we're going to do to thin out our candy melts just a little bit, we're going to add some oil. We're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to heat this up so that we're mixing warm oil with our warm candy melts. Half of our oil and see if it becomes thin enough. Thinning out your candy melt is going to make it easier for dipping. So we're just going to add the rest. And this will give you a nice consistency for dipping your cookies. So you more or less want this consistency. This is going to make it easy to dip your cookies. And now we're going to take a little bit aside. And this is going to be to create our marble design. What we have here is a hot plate, and we're going to use this to keep our bowl and our candy melts nice and warm. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer our melted candy melts right into this stainless steel bowl. You can also use a temper machine or your stove top. We're going to be using Color Milk Hot Pink to color our marble. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix. You can transfer this into a piping bag to pipe small dots into your bowl, or you can go ahead and just pour it right into the bowl directly. So we're just going to place some dots. You can start with just a little bit and add some more if you like. And now with a toothpick, we're gonna go ahead and just start creating some zigzags. And you wanna cut through the pink as you do that. So we went in one direction, now we can go in another direction. You can go around in a circle. And you can go ahead and add more color if you'd like, or you can start with this. And as you start dipping your cookies, you might wanna add more color because what happens is the color tends to mix. Let's take our first sugar cookie. Let's go ahead and dip. So we're just gonna dip directly in to our chocolate. Let the excess chocolate drip off the side, and you're gonna wanna clean your cookie. And this is what your design will look like. You can go ahead and clean the sides. You can do the same technique with royal icing, but I just think that the candy melts taste so much better. And that's how you create these simple and delicious marble cookies. These are ready to cool, and once your candy melt surface has hardened, they're ready to be wrapped or served. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.